How's it going, everyone? Phil here from Furious Technology. Today we're unboxing the Nintendo Switch OLED Zelda Tears of Kingdom Special Edition. Let's first have a look around the box. Now, if we look at the front right here, we can see that it specifies Special Edition. The game is not included. The game is actually not released yet, so we'll wait for that to release before we can play it. But we do have the system itself. We got some nice design on this side of the box. On the back, we can see some of the things that are included in all that, which we'll have a look at in a second right here. But let's go ahead and first open up the box, and we'll do it right at the bottom right here. So we do have the OLED Switch just first right here on the top. I'll actually set that aside for a second. We'll have a look at some of the things included. So we got our colored Joy-Cons right here. And wow, I'm a big fan of the white and gold theme, so I think these Joy-Cons look really, really good. And you can see it's kind of like a matte finish gold, and then we got these design all around here, and then on the back it is that white. So let's go ahead and set those aside, and we'll see what else we have in the box. So this is just your packaging right here, and we'll grab. First, we do have an HDMI cable included, which is super handy that we get one of those in the box. We'll actually take that out so you guys can see that all together. So there is the nice HDMI cable. Throw that aside. We've got our power cable right here, and the power cable is USB-C. So we can see it's the USB-C. We'll take that aside, and we'll grab this right out right here, and that is your Joy-Cons controller holder right here. This is not the charge and play one, so it doesn't have the plug on the top, but let's go ahead and put our Joy-Cons in here so we can see what that exactly looks like. And there we go. So pretty cool that we've got those in there. I like the black and gold look really good as well. But nothing really special about this. This is not a themed controller or Joy-Con holder or anything like that. I think that's the only thing in here that's not themed, besides obviously your cables and stuff. But let's go ahead and grab our dock right here. And is there anything else? Yes, there is. The little Joy-Con handles and stuff. We'll use those in a second. We'll throw the box aside, and let's go ahead and open up the dock right here. Very nicely packaged. There we go. Oh, wow. Look at that. That is so cool. I'm not even a big Zelda fan, to be honest, but the theme on this is just so nice. Like, I just think that that dock looks so good. That would be so cool displayed just on your shelf or beside your TV. Let's go ahead and look at the dock right here. This back piece right here pulls right off completely. Unlike your original Switch, will just flop down. And then on the OLED Switch, we do have the LAN connection, so we can get a hardwired internet connection on the OLED Switch, which you don't get on your regular Switch. HDMI cable, your power cable, USB right there. On this side, there's nothing. On this side right here, we got two USB-A ports, which we can use to charge if we want to, and then we have our little indicator light right there. And we'll put that just right there in the back right now. We'll grab our, I can't remember exactly what these called, the little Joy-Con sticky things like that. We'll grab those. There we go. So we've got whites with the gold string handle. That is so cool. I really, really like that. Okay, let's go ahead and take our Joy-Cons out right here, and we'll put them in right here. And I really gotta hope that I don't put these in the wrong way. Sometimes I put these in the wrong way and they get stuck, but there we go. So we align the two lines right there, and we'll grab this one and we will align the positive and the positive. There we go. So those are all perfectly aligned. So that's what those look like. We can use the handles if we want to, and we have two separate controllers. So pretty neat that they have those, again, with the white matches on the back with the gold and white on the front. So very, very good. And let's go ahead and grab our actual OLED Switch now. And we can see the design that we saw in the box carries over on to the back, which looks fantastic. I really, really like that. It's a really cool design. And then we do have our little kickstand, which is not little, it's actually the full length of the OLED Switch. You can see it's a fully adjustable kickstand. So again, that's different from your standard Switch. So if you're upgrading to the OLED Switch, you do get that as well, which is super, super cool. And then obviously we do get the nice big OLED screen on there. And let's go ahead and grab our Joy-Cons now. And we'll take them off of here, and we will put them on to our Switch so we can see exactly what our Switch looks like right here. with it on. Don't mind my fingerprints already on the OLED Switch. So there we go. So that's what it looks like on the Switch itself. Very, very comfortable, very nice big screen, glossy screen, obviously fingerprinted already. We'll look on the back right there. You can see that white and black that kind of meshes in. Again, with your stand, if you want to flip the stand up, and you can have your Switch stand up if you want to. Let's go ahead and have a look at what it looks like in the dock itself though. So we'll grab our dock right there, and we'll just put the Switch right in there, and that's nicely in there, and that will charge away for you. So looks so good. I honestly absolutely love the color of this new OLED Switch Zelda Special Edition. So if you're thinking about getting one, I will link it in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.